तेलंगाना में चुनाव चौथे चरण में है। उससे पहले कांग्रेस जो यहाँ पर सत्ता में आई है दिसंबर के चुनाव में के बाद सत्ता में है और कांग्रेस दमखम झोंक रही है। हम देख चुके हैं राहुल गांधी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे यहाँ पर एक बड़ी मैसिव रैली कर चुके हैं और यहाँ पर घोषणा पत्र का भी उन्होंने सौंपा था, घोषणा पत्र रिलीज़ की थी। हमारे साथ कांग्रेस के सबसे वरिष्ठ नेता यहाँ पर हैं। बटी सर, ये बताइए कितनी सीट्स हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? आप क्या लगता है, कांग्रेस है, बीजेपी है, बीआरएस है?
See, Telangana people have realized that the Congress is the only party which can give them the good governance and the resources will be distributed to the people. They have seen the TRS governance of 10 years and they have realized that the BRS has literally looted the resources of the state. So obviously, people are not going to vote for BRS anymore. And the BJP, as it is, very well, for the past one decade, Narendra Modi ji has promised that he'll give a minimum of 2 crores jobs every year for the unemployed youth and 15 lakhs of rupees, putting in the common man's bank accounts and other demonetization, many other issues are there, but nothing has been materialized. One decade totally only on the name of some propaganda by not doing anything. So Telangana people are very, very, very intelligent. They know that the Congress is the only party which can really take care of the people. So we are expecting not less than 14 seats.
चैलेंजर कौन है सर? बीजेपी है, बीआरएस है? असेंबली चुनाव में जो कुछ महीनों पहले हुए थे, बीआरएस सत्ता में थे, आपने बीआरएस को हटा के सत्ता में आए हैं। चैलेंजर इस समय कौन है? बीआरएस है, बीजेपी है?
Obviously, BRS is there, seriously, but they are not to the extent of giving a serious fight also.
मुद्दे क्या हैं सर चुनाव में? फ़ोन टैपिंग की बात हो रही है, वो भी एक मुद्दा हो सकता है तेलंगाना की अगर हम बात करें तो।
See, Telangana, we should understand the very, 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 the idea of getting a separate statehood is to get an employment seriously and for the self-respect, self-governance, and our own resources to be used for the development of the state. Unfortunately, these things are not being attended properly. The very purpose of getting the statehood itself is only for these things, but these things are not. So now they have realized, for example, people have realized Congress party understood the dhadkan of the state, so they have given the statehood. And the Congress party understood the real pain of the Telangana, so let us vote for the Congress. That's what people have voted. So now we started implementing, like in a span of 3 months itself, 30,000 employment, 30,000 jobs we have given with an appointment letters. And we have constituted the full-fledged public service commission. We have announced job calendar and the unemployed youth have realized that the Congress is really taking care of unemployed youth. Apart from the resources, natural resources like river water resources and other resources, we are streamlining them, and other human resources also we are trying to make use of them, and we have given them this self-respect also. We are not suffocating anybody. See, the Telangana people basically they think that they want freedom of expression, absolute freedom of expression. In one decade, they were being suffocated, they were being cornered, they were being, monitored very closely, and they made them to get scared also to speak anything. So now we made it very clear to the people of Telangana, this is our state with lots of freedom. You can express of your opinion very freely, and you have a true democratic government here. So these things are going to be main issues, and of course, phone tapping also is nothing but entering into your private life. So you don't have any right to enter into anybody's private life. These kind of things are kept for this national security. After all, the phone tapping, terrorism, if there's anything, things which are taking place against the country. So that those things that you are using for the purpose of your own political ends, your own personal financial ends, no, that's not correct. People of Telangana, people are feeling that their life is being, closely, they enter into our private life also. That's not-
एक्शन क्या इस पे आप इंश्योर करेंगे सर फोन टैपिंग पे?
See, action means you have a system, you have acts, they'll take care of it.
प्रधानमंत्री अमित शाह यहाँ पर आते हैं, रैली करते हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि कांग्रेस डायनिस्ट पार्टी है, करप्ट पार्टी है।
See, Congress is a party which takes care of the people's needs. For example, if they don't have a house, we'll give the house. If they don't get the employment, we'll think of that employment and we'll create it. If they don't get an opportunity of study to go to the schools, we give the fees reimbursement. If they don't have the money to go for the hospitals, we give the Arogyasri card. If they can't afford to go to the college, we give many other residential schools. So these kinds of things, people are thinking that the Congress is the only which can think our lives and design these schemes for their betterment of their life.
फोर्थ फेज में जो चुनाव है सर, 3 सीटें अभी भी अनाउंसमेंट के लिए बाकी हैं, कब तक अनाउंसमेंट हो जाएगा? और हैदराबाद को लेकर बहुत चर्चा हो रही है कि ओवैसी के साथ दोस्ती हो गई आपकी।
See, after all, everyone knows that the Congress party, while deciding the seats, they will do a lot of exercise. We'll have a screening committee. We have a central election committee. These two stages, they seriously screen the candidates and they announce in the interest of the party. So we almost announced almost all the seats except 3. 3 of them are also, on the pipeline. Any day they may announce.
ओवैसी के साथ दोस्ती।
ओवैसी का साथ दोस्ती बोल रहे तो what दोस्ती we are having? Unnecessarily, parties like BJP or TRS, they are trying to spread these kind of rumors. But ours is a secular party. We know it very well. We carry everyone along with us.
थैंक यू सो मच सर,
Yeah.
हमसे बात